working. Hello? Anybody there? Travel day today. We left our little spot at the baby pond. We were there for a nice 5 days, I think.
5 nights.
5 nights. Very nice stay. Took nice little walks and loved seeing the burrows, which is always fun. We're heading to Pahrump today with a stop midway at an RV park to dump our tanks.
Armagosa Valley.
Because we are headed to a Boondockers Welcome location, so we need to take care of dumping tanks, and we get water at the Boondockers Welcome, right? Okay. Yep, just gotta dump our tanks, get rid of it. Beautiful. Good morning, everyone. It's a travel day again. After sitting for 5 months, we have lots of travel days ahead of us. Well, behind us and ahead of us. We are leaving Pahrump today. We were supposed to leave yesterday, but it was too windy where we were and where we were going. So we altered our plans because they're only written in the sand anyway.
And the wind blew that away.
Yes, it did. So we had to start over and make new plans. So we're going a little bit further today and a little bit further tomorrow. Instead of doing 3 nights, we're doing 2. So we're 1 night instead of 2 nights. That's it. So that's kind of it. We had a really nice stay at our Boondockers Welcome location. And my mom's calling. I have to call her back. Great guy. And if you've never tried out Boondockers Welcome, you should really check it out. We've always enjoyed our stays at our Boondockers Welcome locations.
And we are a Boondockers Welcome affiliate. We have our link in the description below. If you click through, I think it's you get an extra month tacked on to the end of your subscription, and so do we.
Nice. Yep, it's great. It helped us out during the whole campgrounds being shut down at the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic. We had places to stay. Some of the Boondockers Welcomes were letting you stay on their property. You know, you don't have to have any kind of physical contact, so it was perfect. You know, you don't use facilities or anything. It's just a safe place for you to park. So anyway, we've got about a 3-hour drive today. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. Don't know. We'll see. But it's about 3 hours. We'll see you when we get there. Tom is up on the roof cleaning off the solar panels. We have arrived at Peggy Sue's. We had our lunch. Just been kind of sitting around, but it's chilly in the trailer. So we decided to come outside for a nice walk. We've been here quite a few times. Stayed in this parking lot overnight. Huh, Bear? We've been here before, haven't we? Haven't we? It's very noisy right now.
Hey!
Ha! It was a hay truck. Way over there, I don't know if you can see it. It says Calico. It's a little ghost town that you can visit. I think they have an RV park there. But in case you haven't seen any of our other videos, Peggy Sue's 50s Diner. They have pretty decent food. I think sometimes it's better than others. Maybe breakfast is good. we're going to try pizza tonight. We've never tried their pizza, but they've got that backyard area, and they have even pop-up shade tents for people. There's places to sit outside. They've got little dinosaurs to go look at. I think there's turtles in there, so it's kind of cool. I don't know if we can take Bear in there, so we didn't go in there this time.
What up, dog?
Nice and warm standing in the sun.
Yes. I think I'll sleep out here as long as the sun stays out.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Oh.
It's unlocked. Good morning again. Here we go again. Back on the road. Just about a 3-hour drive today, heading from Yermo, California, near Barstow, heading to Bakersfield, where our daughter lives. So we had a very nice evening stay at Peggy Sue's Diner in their parking lot there. Stayed there a few times. Got pizza for supper. It was good, huh? It was yummy pizza.
Mm-hmm.
So we hadn't tried their pizza before. We usually go in, but they're not allowing dine-in. It's California, so they're not allowing dine-in in the restaurant. So we thought,
wouldn't have eaten in anyway.
that's right. So it was, let's try their pizza this time, and we did, and it was good. So today is the last day of our trek to Bakersfield from Reno, with all of our stops in between. So we're looking forward to a good drive today. Kaylee's quiet for the moment. Bear's in the corner. I don't know why she's like that. Can't see Kaylee in her new carrier. The netting is dark. This is Barstow.
Kaylee, smile. You're on candid camera. So here we sit in a brand new location.
Yep.
And you are filling out like a little sheet that's called
It's a form.
Where are we?
And
Now, what is it, and where do you put this form?
normally I have them printed out off the computer, but I ran out and I didn't have my computer hooked up, so I just handwritten one up. So what I do is I fill this out so that we have what city, state, county, what RV park, the location address in case of an emergency. We can give an address.
Or where we're boondocking.
Or where we're boondocking, right? So it's location address too, or, you know, like off highway, whatever. The nearest medical care, the nearest vet care, the nearest Walmart or grocery store. Walmart because we get our prescriptions there, so that's why I have that. And then emergency numbers, police and sheriff, of course, 911 first, and then for non-emergency, and then nearby contact information, any family or friends that are closest in case of an emergency. I started doing this when we were coming through Utah, and it's always been kind of in the back of my mind to know what county you're in, because a lot of times reports, like weather reports and stuff, are per county, and we found that out. Well, I found it out. Tom probably already knew it already, but when we were going through the Midwest and Texas and Oklahoma and all that, when there were tornadoes, they always say what counties, and it's like, well, I don't know what county I'm in when I'm somewhere like that. So now I look it all up. I'll use my phone. Like right now, Hawthorne is in Mineral County, so I'll write that down, because generally the sheriff's department is through the county, so that way I have that information. When we were going through Utah, there was that dead cow that was right in the area where we were boondocking, and so we were trying to find out who would be responsible for that, removing it or whatever. We wanted to make sure we reported it because we didn't want to be accused of that. So, or, you know, we wanted it removed, but they don't do that. But anyway, long story short is it's just good information to have, and it's also a little record. I've got it, the ones that we did in a little binder that I have, and so we can go back and look.
You have dates?
Yes, dates, the date, and then it goes date to whatever, how long you were there. So I have the dates we were there, and then all the other information. So what I think I'm going to add to it also is like internet for our future reference. I do have like a little travel log that I do keep that in, but this is just another thing, and we hang it up right by the door. So in case we got to call an emergency, we know right where to find the sheets. They're hanging up by the door.